First, sugar is launched at market, and when people eat sugar, they become diabetic patient. Then the treatment is taken out. First, refined oil sells at market. Our heart got blocked by eating refined oil. Then many hospitals are built for the treatment. A stunt of $5 is transmitted in $1,000. When we have a headache, we are given a painkiller. By taking a painkiller, small headache becomes migraine. Then migraine is treated. In short, first disease is invented and then its cure is found. So companies should get benefit. So friends, you're wise and you have to understand what is important to you. Since time, people have been eating desi ghee, but we start eating refined oil. We did that because there is a lot of advertisement. In the advertisement, we are told that refined oil is best for heart. Then why there is so much patient of heart in world? There is so much shampoos in market for hair fall. We are applying shampoo since childhood, but some people still become bald if they keep applying that shampoo. Friends, we have to understand that we should not use these things without thinking. Otherwise, we will be surrounded by diseases. For some time, sat with your grandparents, they'll tell you many recipes like these. There's one good thing that your grandparents will recommend you. Friends, I'm talking about turmeric milk. Even you get very small injury, your grandparents will ask you to have turmeric milk. If you have zit on your face, try applying turmeric paste. After all, what is in turmeric? Friends, turmeric is antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory. Turmeric does all the work that fairness creams do. That's why in olden times, people used to use turmeric at home for treatment. If you get injury, you should have turmeric milk. Apply turmeric paste on it. You'll not have any side effects and you will heal quickly. There is a lot benefits of turmeric in herbal. Now I'll tell you how to drink turmeric milk and its benefits. When we hear any benefits of something, we start eating without knowing that how much eat and when to eat. Before consuming turmeric milk, you need to know how to make turmeric milk. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric to 1 glass of milk. But people put more and some people less. For one person, 1 glass of milk with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric is sufficient. After this, boil that milk. Some people do not boil milk properly. Here's a very bad mistake that people make is they use homemade turmeric. But the turmeric which we are using at home is not actual turmeric. That's only yellow powder, which give color to your meal. You have to buy real turmeric from herbal store. This turmeric will cure your every ailments. You'll get different type of turmeric from market, but you have to buy turmeric from herbal store. You have to add 1/4 teaspoon of this turmeric to milk and boil it for 10 minutes. After that, take it at night before going to sleep. If you take turmeric milk daily, this will cure your every illness. Now I'll tell you about the diseases that will end. First of all, the disease related to face. Whether you have pimple or freckles on your face, then drink turmeric milk or apply turmeric paste on your face. Your pimple will disappear in 10 to 15 days. Apart from this, if there is swelling anywhere in the body, then you should drink turmeric milk or apply turmeric paste on the inflamed area. Turmeric milk is very good for diabetic patients. If diabetic patients drink turmeric milk daily for 3 months, then there is no need of diabetic medicines. People are taking diabetic medicines since many years, but their diabetes didn't get better. This is because we are very far from herbal things. Guys, drink turmeric milk for 2 to 3 months and you will see your diabetic is over. To eliminate diabetes, the production of insulin in the body has to be increased, and this turmeric milk helps us a lot. If you want to get fair complexion, then drink turmeric milk or apply turmeric paste on your face. If you have pain in your joints, then turmeric milk will be of great help to you. If you get a cold, then taking medicine will not anything to you. In this, turmeric milk will help you a lot. If you want to remove tension and want to sleep peacefully at night, then drink turmeric milk before sleeping. Turmeric milk is great if you want to improve your digestive system, get rid of constipation or gas acidity problem. Turmeric milk strengthens the organs. Apart from this, turmeric milk helps a lot to reduce obesity. People who want to reduce their weight, just drink turmeric milk daily. Friends, it is not necessary to diet or do yoga to reduce weight. Only and only you have to drink turmeric milk and you will see that your metabolism rate will increase and your weight will reduce itself. So friends, in this way, Only with turmeric milk, you can treat a lot of diseases. Turmeric milk also helps you in diseases like cancer. There are many types of cancers these days. Colon cancer, stomach cancer, lung cancer, breast cancer, and many hospitals have been built to fix it. Friends, if you want to end cancer, then drink turmeric milk. There's a lot of research going on in the world that how turmeric milk can be used for cancer. We know it from the beginning, but never used it. By drinking turmeric milk, the blockage of the heart ends and wipes the heart patients very well.